Inhlangano ye-Township Economic Commission South Africa ibambeke imbizo yokubhaliswa nokuxhaswa kwezitolo zendawo ukusiza-ke osomabhizinisi bendawo ukuthi-ke bekwazi ukuhambisana nayo yonke imiqathango emayelana nokubhaliswa kwezitolo baphinde-ke beyibeke emathubeni amahle okuthola uxhaso. Le mbizo-ke ibibanjelwe eWhite City Jabavu namuhla ekuseni. Lolu hlelo luza ngemuva kokwanda kokukhathazeka ngenqwaba yezitolo okuvela ukuthi azibhalisiwe ngokusemthethweni nokwenza-ke zigcine zisilela emuva ekutholeni uxhaso. I-TAXA ithikele inhlelo ehlose ngazo ukucija osomabhizinisi ngolwazi nangosizo nje abalidingayo ukuthi bebe semathubeni bephinde-ke bekhulise namabhizinisi abo edlondlobale.
Ikomishini yoqoqosho lwelokishi yoMzantsi Afrika ibambe indibano nabanini bamashishini ukubaxhobisa ngolwazi olufana nokubhalisa amashishini wabo, ukuba neempepha ezifanelekileyo kunye nokulandela imigaqo ebekiweyo.
We just realized that most of the people, they don't even have businesses that are registered, and then some of them, they've got businesses but they are not compliant in terms of CIPC. Some of the businesses, they've never submitted their annual returns, and then some, they are not compliant in terms of tax. Now we're then saying let's start from there, because they can't then expect to get funding yet their documents and their papers are not ready.
Le komishini ithi isebenzisana norhulumente kunye nabanye abathathi inxaxheba abafanelekileyo.
We're working very closely with the government, starting with the City of Johannesburg, the Department of Environmental Health. That's where the companies in the sponsor shop are registered. We work very closely with the Department of Small Business Development. We work very closely with SEDFA, which is the agency that distribute, this 500 million rand sponsorship fund on behalf of the Department of Small Business Development.
Ezindibano abanini bamashishini bazichaza njengezo ziluncedo ekuphuculeni nasekukhuliseni amashishini wabo.
I think mina ngizela ukuthi ngizothola ukuthi amaphepha ami kanjani if ngidinga uncedo lwa something, where do I go about ukuthi ngithole lelo ncedo. So they are providing us for ngalo ma information ukuthi mawulida something uyakuphi, mawushoda ngani uyakuphi. So they're making it easier for us.
Eliphulo liza kutyelela iindawo ezohlukeneyo jikelele ukufikelela kubantu abaninzi abadinga ukuxhamla kulo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eWhite City Jabavu.